Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are like my husband and I, we love having a fan on. We need a fan to sleep at night. So it's not just the noise, which we like. We also like to feel the wind in our face. It keeps us cool and fresh. So we have this Amazon Basic on my husband's nightstand, and it is really great. So there's 3 levels on the fan. There is a high, a medium, and a low. You can hear how loud each of them are. We usually have it on high because we like the noise. This is on the lowest setting. You just get a nice little breeze. On level 2, you get a little bit more. On level 3, you get quite a nice little breeze going. I can't keep the paper down anymore. This is the 7-inch fan. It's perfect for a nightstand next to your bed. I'm not sure exactly what the 7 inches is because the fan, if you measure from side to side, is just about 10 inches. I don't know if it's the fan blades that are 7 inches, but if you're expecting 7 inches, it is bigger than that. So the base is about 10.5 inches. So if you're needing a nice fresh breeze while you sleep or any other time during the day, highly recommend the Amazon Basic fan. But that's just our point of view.